Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. Previously, we assembled the ELEGOO Uno R3 Smart Robot Car Kit version 4. That's a step-by-step guide. You get to see every piece that gets put into this thing. It was an interesting build. Some of it got really complicated around the camera, etc. Now here, using the remote, you can activate line tracking mode, obstacle avoidance mode, or auto follow mode, pressing either keys 1, 2, and 3.
Switch on.
Here I'm switching on the battery pack, and I made this little map here on this piece of foam board. Yeah, the kit came with a little electrical tape, so yeah, it's kind of confusing on that corner for it. Let's see if it can do it. All right. Let's go one more time. It is doing it.
It's having a little trouble there. That's kind of a sharp turn for it. Come on, buddy. Come on back. Come on back. You can do it.
Yay!
You can do it. Okay.
Okay, and press button number 2 and you get collision avoidance mode using the ultrasound sensor there. Yeah. I was surprised it didn't go out into a larger part of the floor where it's wide open. It just stayed in a small spot, trying not to run into stuff here. But it doesn't run into stuff, so I have to say collision avoidance mode's working. Almost hit the dog there. And the dog ran away. Oh, ran into mom's shoe. Oh well. Okay, so button 3. This is follow mode. So you place something in front of it, and it will run into it repeatedly. As long as there's something in front of it, it will run into it. See, so it is following it. Oh, now it can't see it, can't see it, can't see it. There it is. Okay, so now we're going to install the app, and this is the ELEGOO Kit app. You got to make sure to throw that switch from upload to camera. Yeah, so it goes from upload to cam, because you're actually going to be using that ESP32 camera to control the device. I'm going to just try out of the box to connect the app to the car and follow whatever instructions pop up. Yeah, please make sure your cell phone's connected to the Wi-Fi provided by the device and turn off cellular data. Okay, so there, we connected to the ELEGOO, and now we're going to go in and turn off cellular data. And again, you have to have it switched on to cam in order for it to work. So the top is my view of the remote. So the FPV view's at the top, and the bottom is the car. My dog was intensely interested in the car, so he stood by very closely watching. I think he was watching me have fun too. Papa's having fun, so I'll let him have fun. It's very responsive. It's pretty quick too, and you can see I slid the speed down just to the first notch. So this thing's a hot rod. Yeah, but the remote works remarkably well. You know, you can even see it's coming at me there. Now I'm going to turn it around, go the other way. I'll have to play with this some more and see if I can explore the house without being in the same room with it. That'll be interesting. Get the real FPV thing going. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this. Yeah, it's a great kit to build, and you see all the features work really well. Look for the product page link down below in the description. I think it's a good value for all of the parts you're getting and the capability. I think I'm having a lot of fun with it. I really enjoyed this product. And leave a comment down below. Give this video a like. And before you go watch more of my robot videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.